differentiate this function. So mag-apply tayo ng chain rule. So dy over dx is equal to dy over du times du over dx. So identify muna natin yung u. Ito yung inner term. Ito yan. So 4x squared minus 7. And then yung outer term natin is ito. So itong kabuuan. So negative u raised to 6. So yung u, ito yun, oh. Kaya yan. Okay, so i-differentiate natin dy over dx. So ito, dy over du is equals to negative u raised to 6. So yung rule natin sa pag-derive, 6 times negative will become negative 6. Copy u, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So yung dy over du natin is negative 6 u raised to 5 times du over dx naman. So 4x squared minus 7. 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 minus 1, 1 na lang. So 1 na yung exponent dito. At yung constant rule 7, so magiging 0 na yan. So yung d over dx natin is 8x. Then next, substitute natin pabalik yung u. So yung u is 4x squared minus 7. So negative 6 times 4x squared minus 7 times 8x. Negative 6 times 8x will become negative 48x. Ay yung exponent, nakalimutan. 4x squared minus 7 raised to 5. So this is now our answer.